Jamaica to the world, news that cross borders. The ride-sharing company Uber Technologies recently announced that they are planning to bring their services to Jamaica. The company, which operates in many cities across the world, recently sent emails to car owners within the Kingston area inviting them to become drivers. According to Uber, the new service offers potential Jamaican drivers the opportunity to sign up, to lease their vehicles, and begin earning money. Riders will use the Uber app, which can be downloaded via Google Play Store, to request pickup at their current location. Your request is then automatically forwarded to an Uber driver near you. The driver that accepts your request will be alerted to your location and your destination. The distance and fare will be collected by the Uber app, and the payment can be transferred from your preferred payment method, whether debit or credit, to the driver, essentially eliminating the need for physical cash exchange. However, cash payments can also be made. As expressed in this article, in an effort to entice drivers back to work, Uber announced the launch of a $250 million stimulus package geared at incentivizing new and returning drivers amidst the upsurge of vaccinations in the US and increasing trip requests from riders. I will put a link to this and other articles in my description if you want further information. Now, I have several questions to pose to you, my viewers. First, do you think this will have a negative effect on our Jamaican taxi drivers? 2, do you think Uber will be successful in Jamaica? And 3, what of the other Jamaican-run ride-sharing companies currently operating in the country? I hand it over to you in the comments section.